Hello everyone! Welcome back to Euphrasia's Nature. Today, let's make something truly special, tender juicy chicken with a tangy twist of pickles. Just imagine that perfect bite, savory, a little bit sweet, and oh so comforting. Come, let's cook together and fill our kitchen with warmth and love. At ayan nga po, pagkatapos kong igisa ang bawang, sibuyas, at kamatis, isinunod ko naman ang manok. Pagkatapos, nilagyan ko rin ng mga pampalasa tulad ng patis, paminta, at konting magic. Pagkatapos, hinalo ko. Tinakpan at pagkaraan ng ilang minuto, binuksan ko at inilagay ko na ang pickles at hinalo. At dahil may tira pa ako na konting kenchay, nilagay ko na rin. Sayang lang naman kung mabubulok lang. Yes. Mahal pa naman ang mga bilihin ngayon. Sana nga ako na lang ang minamahal. Chika! Saka hindi lang yon, dagdag flavor na rin. Yes. At sumunod naman ay red bell, hotdog, patatas, carrots at hinalo ko. At tinakpan at pagkaraan ng ilang minuto, binuksan at nilagyan ko na ng tomato sauce, konting asukal at asin. Hinalo ko at tinakpan at pagkaraan ng ilang minuto, binuksan. At ito po, luto na siya. And there you have it. Tender, juicy chicken with a tangy pickle twist. Simple, full of flavor, and made with love. Napakadali lang gawin, pero siguradong magugustuhan ng buong pamilya. Please watch till the end. Tara, kain po tayo! Thank you so much for spending your time with me here on Euphrasia's Nature. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. If you enjoy this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss our next moment together. This is Euphrasia's Nature, where simple moments become beautiful memories. Remember, life is made of simple and beautiful moments. So, keep smiling, keep exploring, and keep spreading kindness. Thanks for watching. Until next time, God bless us all. Bye!